Hello and welcome to my channel. So in this video I will show you how you can insert images in your files. So in just click on this one like the drop down and then click on the place image or video. Okay, this is one way you can simply click on this and then so I'll go to this and okay, so I have images here. So I'll select this one and I'm simply going to drag it in my file. Okay, this is how one way you can insert it, like by simply clicking and dragging it to your file. Okay, so for now I'll scale it down. Another way is like how you are going to uh, for example, you want to create a page having some kind of profile, okay, profile icon. So how you want it inside a shape or something, okay, like this one in a circle you want it. Okay, so simply click on it, okay, and then either you can click on this one. This is one way I'm saying. Okay, one way is like by clicking on this, okay, and then so click on this. So here you see that, okay, this is going to give you the option. Okay, so when you hover on this circle you see that this is getting selected. Okay, a circle is coming around this one. Okay, so okay, you get it that this image is going to place it in this circle. Now click on inside the circle. Okay, that's it. You see that how you are going to insert images in a shape. Okay, and another way is like I want to do the same thing here but in a different way. So here you see that in the fill option, if you click on this one, you have it like different options are here, like either you can insert an image or a video. Okay, so I'll click on this one image and then if I come here, if I hover here, it is asking me to choose image. So I'm going to click on this so image here, then see the same thing, how in different ways you can do it in Figma. Okay, so yeah, that is it for this video, and if you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.